Hello learner, to take your score exam, just follow these simple steps. Click on the Take Test button or link mentioned in the message to go to the Infinity Learn student portal. You can also go to the Infinity Learn website and click on Sign In. Enter the phone number with which you had registered for the score exam. You'll receive an SMS with an OTP on the same number. Copy the OTP and enter it to log in to the portal. Now go to the test section visible on the left side and then select score. You should be able to see your exam slot now. Click on it to start the exam. In any given case, if you don't see this exam card on your screen in the score section and see something like this, then go to the profile section and check your details. Make sure the grade and exam is same as what you had entered during your registration. If a different grade or exam is selected, click Edit to update them. Once your grade and exam are updated, you should be able to see your exam slot and take the test. If you still face any issue while attempting the exam, call us at 1800 419424. All the best.